Hey there, yarn lovers! If you're new to crochet, all those abbreviations and patterns might seem like a secret code, but don't worry, it's easier than it looks. Let's break it down. These little shortcuts save space and make patterns easier to read. For example, an SC stands for single crochet. HDC means half double crochet. And DC stands for double crochet. Each abbreviation matches a specific stitch, and once you know them, patterns will flow like your favorite yarn through your fingers. You can think of these abbreviations as the roadmap to your next masterpiece, and just like in life, a little practice goes a long way. For a little more detailed videos, you can check out my pattern reading video as well as the video that I break down single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet in much more detail. Ready to decode more patterns? Keep practicing and stay hooked.